Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Lyft saying no drivers available in your area right when you need one? Before giving up and calling a cab, try these things first because they are usually a fix. First, double check that your pickup pin is exactly where you are. Even being half a block off can put you outside a driver's active zone. Drag the pin to your precise spot. After fixing the pin, try switching the right type. If Lyft standard shows no drivers, try Lyft preferred, Lyft XL or Lyft Luxury. Sometimes one tire has available drivers when the other does not. Wait 2 or 3 minutes and search again. Driver availability updates in real time every few seconds. Also be aware that during peak hours, after concerts, or on a holiday weekends like this time of the year, availability drops dramatically across the whole city, and the best fix is to wait 10 to 15 minutes or walking slightly away from a very crowded area. Make sure your Lyft app is fully updated as well. Head over to your app store and then search for the Lyft app and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes show incorrectly lowered driver counts. So all you've got to do is fix your pin location, switch to right types, wait a few minutes and move slightly in a crowd. Lyft driver will show up and that's it. So